Today lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install OpenClaw on Ubuntu operating system. So first here, opening this place terminal, and there we need to first install this git. So that writing the command sudo apt install git. Press enter, give the password, and this here you can see this come there. Let's write Y and press enter. So now this is doing some download and progressing. So this 92% that's done. Let's check the version of git minus minus version. Then you can see 2.43 that install. Now if you write their git, then this all helping command that's come there. So let's use their killer. So git install, thereafter going to install their Node.js. So writing there sudo apt install Node.js. Press enter, write Y. So this is now currently installing this Node.js on this Ubuntu operating system. This is doing some download, now unpacking and selecting. So this done here. Let's check the version of Node.js. Right there, Node minus minus version. This version is there. Okay, so this is done here. Thereafter installing this curl. So writing there sudo apt install curl. Sudo apt install curl. So curl is required. So this is not downloading. Now thereafter to here open this Google search box. Okay, here you can see this curl that also installed. Now let's use the create command. So in Google search box right there, OpenClaw, then go on openclaw.ai site. Let's click this. And now there you can see OpenClaw, the AI that actually does things. Now scroll down. Here you can get this command. So you need to copy this command, curl, copy, and thereafter on this right there and use this command curl http open install sh base. Now thereafter press enter. So this here OpenClaw that's come there detected Linux Node.js that's detected there, and now you can see this doing some download here. You can see uh, Node.js version font, but this required 22. Okay, so this is now installing this Node.js 22 higher version. Okay, so git that's detected, Linux that's detected. Now you can see this all install Node.js. Node.js is now currently installing. So here Node.js operations currently going on. So git is already installed here, Node.js install and git already installed. So now currently this is installing this OpenClaw. So here you can see this here installing this OpenClaw, this version. Now you can see OpenClaw, this install. If I scroll up, you can see this here OpenClaw successfully installed. Now thereafter the next is here we need to do something. So here let's use a scroll up button. Yes, press enter. Quick start. So here this is now node or this one. So currently I'm going to escape and filter mode. So all provider, let's skip this default, that's fine. So this is string some escape, and now configuration scale now recommended, yes, yes, and npm, that's fine. This here or doing some escape option, press and Google places set Google API. You can do this later. And now gateway service install and do this later. Onboard complete. Let's scroll up. The next is here you need to click on this web API. Let's click on this open link. Clock control, that's come there. Here you can see this all, that's come there. Okay, the next is let's open this place or terminal. Then here let's new window. If you write OpenClaw, then here you can see all helping command. You can get this place doc OpenClaw ACI documentation. That's for this here helping commands you can get there. Now let's check there OpenClaw -- version. Then you can see here this version that install. So this is how you can install this OpenClaw on this Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.